I get to know something which I never thought that I will get to know when if I would have been in some other profession.
My name is Arti Narsana and I'm a lawyer by passion. So I first done my graduation in commerce from Mitibai College in Vilepale, and after that I have done the 3-year law course.
I am Anjana Cheda. I took Sanad in January 1965. I joined BMC and I became head of legal department, which is the biggest legal department of any public body having.
I am Ankita and I have been in this particular legal background since 2009.
In the start, for lawyers, not every lawyer start is a plush corporate office. So if you see lawyers who are working in court, they almost spend their whole day in court.
See, if anybody wants to be a lawyer, first of all, he must be very clear in mind that moment he get degree, he is not going to earn money. He will have to slog, he have to study, then only after 4-5 years, if he is in private practice, he will earn.
You will face a lot of challenges invariably whichever place you start with, but do not get discouraged by them. Keep on trying. Law has various fields. Maybe you start in litigation. If you don't like that field, do not quit but switch to other fields. Try that. If you don't like that, do not quit and switch to other field, because there is so much diversity that there will be something for everyone and you may find your right place in a bit.
Challenges from the day one. When I graduated, my parents won't permit me to do further studies. They say, what nonsense. अपने यहाँ लड़के काम नहीं करते, स्टडी करते नहीं है और आपको लॉयर बनना है. What you will do after becoming lawyer? आपको तो खाना ही पकाना है. They will not permit me to study. And at that juncture, could all you think of 60 years before? The parents, we were very much dependent on parents. We have no liberty to speak against the parents. So I pursued them after graduation, and after a year and a half, I got the permission to study law. I did law, then I started practice, I found one senior, then I joined municipal corporation. After 4 years, my experience.
It is a pretty hectic day generally. In a nutshell, it is typically a day full of reading of lot of documents, a day full of a lot of conversation, either in email or in person, a lot of meetings.
So a lawyer's life actually doesn't end. You don't come out from playing the part of being a lawyer. Because the clients approach you for their work, the clients approach you for their personal work as well. If they have to purchase even a motorbike or if they have to purchase a car, they would require you to just go through or understand what they are planning, and if the plan is good, and if you think that you can give some opinion or some inputs with respect to that also. So all of the things which we do in our normal life also, in somewhat people want to just run it through the lawyers.
My favorite part is negotiation. I really love the communication, the ability to argue with the other side and to try and convince them of our viewpoint. And a very, very interesting situations come up, and it's just so much fun to think about so many situations that you would otherwise could never anticipate.
Arguments in the court, it is such a thrilling and challenging. So it gives job satisfaction. You argue well, courts give judgment in your favor, and it is all a win-win situation. So it gives a thrill and mainly a job satisfaction. People appreciate your work, and nothing beats that.